So this is the very compact SleekWrapper. This automatic flow wrapper can produce up to 60 flow packs per minute. It's only 6 feet long. What our customers really appreciate is that it does come with casters. It's very mobile. It can fit into any production space. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna load your product. You can do it manually, or we can use a scatter robot to pick and place directly onto the conveyor bed. We're gonna flow wrap using non-proprietary roll stock film, and then your finished product will look something like this. A flow pack with a top and back seal. This machine includes color touchscreen, PLC controls. Typically ship time is very short, normally in the range of about 8 to 10 weeks. Unless we have it in stock, then we can ship within a matter of weeks. Complete stainless steel construction, built in Italy. The SleekWrapper is a product that we've delivered many over the last almost 10 years.